Have you seen this gorgeous flower before or do you know anything about it? If not, check out today's video. I grew this plant 2 years back in 2 pots from their leaf and stem cuttings. And a year later they started blooming as well. And this year itself in just 10 days it has bloomed about 26 flowers. This is cactus orchid, commonly known as Brahma kamal in southern India. Hi, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. This plant belongs to cactus family and its scientific name is Epiphyllum oxypetalum, and they bloom only at night, and by the morning they close and they bloom only for one night. The flower size is quite big and they have a very mild fragrance to it. Its flower buds emerge from the leaf and it takes couple of days to mature fully and then they bloom and they look so delicate. If we talk about its flowering season, they start blooming from June and continue blooming till October. It is considered as a very sacred flower in southern India and even it is worshipped when it blooms at night. The plant prefers slightly cold weather to grow and it can be easily grown in full sunlight as well as in partial shade. The plant can be very easily grown from its stem cutting as well as from its leaf cutting, and this is the pot in which I grew this plant 2 years back. And for potting mix I used garden soil and compost. However, you can grow this plant very easily only in garden soil as well. So that's all for this gorgeous flowering plant, friends. If you know more about it, do let me know through comments. I will share a few buying links of this plant. You can buy them, add it to your garden and have beautiful blooms. Happy gardening. See you soon.